Best car fuel additives for engine cleaning help remove deposits, improve performance, boost fuel efficiency, and extend engine life. My today's video is about top 5 best car fuel additives for engine cleaning that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. Cataclean is a highly effective fuel and exhaust system cleaner designed to restore engine efficiency while reducing harmful emissions. Its advanced formula can lower total hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50%, making it a smart choice for drivers preparing for emissions testing or wanting a cleaner running vehicle. By targeting carbon deposits in the catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and cylinder heads, it helps critical components operate more efficiently. Drivers often notice smoother acceleration, improved throttle response, easier starts, and reduced hesitation after use. It can also correct rough idle issues and recover lost fuel economy caused by buildup over time. Unlike many additives, Cataclean is versatile and safe for gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and flex fuel vehicles without changing fuel composition. This makes it an excellent maintenance solution for older vehicles or cars showing early performance problems. However, it is not suitable for two-stroke or oil/gas mix engines. Overall, Cataclean offers a practical, cost-effective way to improve drivability, efficiency, and emissions performance. Now our second product is Redline 60103 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner is a premium-grade additive built for drivers who want maximum cleaning performance and long-term fuel system protection. Its concentrated formula targets injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chamber deposits, removing stubborn buildup that can reduce efficiency and responsiveness. By combining high-temperature and low-temperature detergents, it cleans throughout the entire fuel path rather than focusing on only one area. One of its biggest strengths is restoring smoother engine operation. Many users notice quicker throttle response, steadier idle quality, and stronger acceleration after treatment. It also helps stabilize gasoline while reducing gum and varnish formation, which is especially valuable for vehicles exposed to stop-and-go driving or longer storage periods. Using one bottle per tank delivers near-complete cleaning in a single treatment, making it convenient and effective. As deposits are removed, fuel economy may improve and exhaust components can operate more efficiently. Overall, Redline SI1 stands out as a powerful, professional quality cleaner for maintaining performance, power, and engine reliability. Our third product is Leaky Moly Catalytic System Clean. This fuel additive is an excellent maintenance solution for gasoline engines equipped with catalytic converters, especially vehicles affected by carbon buildup and declining efficiency. Its formula works by protecting the catalytic converter from soot clogging, helping preserve one of the most expensive and important emissions components in modern cars. By keeping the converter cleaner, it can also support smoother exhaust flow and better long-term reliability. Another strong advantage is its ability to clean the injection system and combustion chamber. Removing deposits from these areas helps fuel spray more evenly and burn more completely, which often results in smoother acceleration, steadier idle quality, and better throttle response. Engines that run cleaner typically operate with less strain and reduced knocking or hesitation. Improved combustion also means lower fuel consumption, saving money over time while reducing CO2 emissions. This makes it a practical option for drivers who want better performance and cleaner operation without costly repairs. Overall, it is a smart preventive treatment for maintaining engine cleanliness, efficiency, and catalytic converter health. Now number 4, Gumout 510013W6PK Fuel System Cleaner. This high-mileage fuel system cleaner is specially designed for vehicles with over 75,000 miles, where carbon buildup often causes reduced power, rough idle, and declining fuel economy. Its targeted formula works deep inside the engine to dissolve stubborn deposits that accumulate over years of driving, helping older engines run smoother and more efficiently. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to clean fuel injectors, intake valves, and intake ports. These are critical areas where buildup can restrict airflow and fuel delivery. Once cleaned, many drivers notice improved throttle response, steadier acceleration, easier starts, and restored fuel economy. It can make aging engines feel more responsive without expensive repairs. The additive also helps prevent future carbon buildup, making it useful as part of regular maintenance. Reduced deposits can lead to cleaner combustion and lower emissions over time. It is oxygen sensor safe and compatible with turbocharged and supercharged vehicles, giving it broad usability across modern engines. Best of all, it will not void OEM or manufacturer warranties, offering peace of mind with every treatment. And our last choice is STP Complete Fuel System Cleaner. STP Complete Fuel System Cleaner is a compact yet powerful fuel additive designed to restore engine efficiency and keep the entire fuel system clean. This 5.25 fluid ounces bottle delivers twice the cleaning agents found in many leading premium gasolines, making it a strong option for drivers who want deeper cleaning than pump fuel alone can provide. Its formula uses proven PA and PBA detergents to break down deposits in fuel injectors, intake valves, and other fuel system components. As buildup is removed, the engine can run smoother, respond faster, and use fuel more efficiently. Many drivers notice better throttle response, steadier idle quality, and improved overall drivability after treatment. Another key benefit is corrosion protection, helping preserve metal components inside the fuel system over time. This is especially valuable for vehicles exposed to moisture, inconsistent fuel quality, or long storage periods. Using it every oil change or every 4,000 miles makes maintenance simple and consistent. Overall, STP Complete Fuel System Cleaner offers dependable cleaning, performance recovery, and long-term fuel system protection at an affordable price. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.